Hello guys, welcome to your class. This is Sunita, class 11 English snapshot chapter 1 part 5. So let us continue. I got down from the horse, okay, and my cousin Murad kicked his heels into the horse and shouted. Okay, now I just got down from the horse. I just got down, and then my cousin Murad, he just jumped on the horse and he shouted Wazir. Wazir means it is a word of Armenian language and its meaning is run. The horse stood on his legs. Hind legs means पीछे वाली leg and snorted. Snorted means he made a sound as a horses make sounds. Okay, and burst into a fury of speed that was the loveliest thing I had ever seen. Okay, after making a sound, it started to run in a furry manner, in a rage manner. Okay, and now after that I had ever seen. Okay, this is the thing which I liked the most. My cousin Murad raced the horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch. I told you irrigation ditch नदी नाले टाइप में होते हैं हमारे खेतों में, through which we irrigate our fields. Okay, so there was a field of dry grass, and my cousin Murad, it ran the horse along the grass, along the field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch, crossed the irrigation ditch on the horse. He was on the horse when the horse crossed the irrigation ditch, and 5 minutes later returned dripping wet. And after 5 minutes when he came back, he was extremely wet. Okay, भीगा हुआ था बहुत ज़्यादा. Then the sun was coming up. Okay, the sun was coming up. It means the morning was getting to started. Okay, सुबह होने को चढ़ाई थी. It was the dawn time. Now it's my turn to ride. Okay, now Aram said that it's my turn to ride. My cousin Murad got off the horse. He got down. Ride, he said. Okay, I leaped to the back of the horse and for a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. I had no experience of riding a horse, so this was my first time and I was extremely fearful. I was feeling very fearful. Okay, so it was an awful fear. Imagine just I was riding the horse first time, so how fearful I was. The horse did not move. I jumped on the horse, but the horse did not move. Kick into his muscles. My cousin Murad said that उसको एड़ी लगाओ. What are you waiting for? किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? We've got to take him back. And then Murad reminded me that we had to take him back, means वापस भी करना है ये, before everybody in the world is up and about. Before everybody is wake up, we have to give it back. I kicked into the muscle of the horse and then I kicked it. Okay, मैंने भी उसको एड़ी लगाई, heel लगाई. Once again it reared and once again it made a sound and snorted, reared and snorted. Okay, yeah, it stood on his hind legs and then it made a noise. Then it began to run. I didn't know what to do and it was my first experience. So when the horse started to run, I was not in the situation that I could never know that what to do. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down the road to the vineyard of Dikram Halabian. Now, what the horse did? Now, the horse was not running in the field to the irrigation ditch. What did it do? The horse ran down the road. Okay, सड़क के नीचे हो गया through the vineyard. Okay, उनमें grapes के जो vineyard थे, जो grapes के जो बाग वगैरह थे वहाँ पे, उनमें वो चला गया. And who was the owner of this vineyard? Dikran Halabian, where it began to leap over vines. And what was doing it? Means he started to jump over the vineyard. Okay, vines. The horse leaped over 7 vines before I fell. Then I continued, then it continued running, but the horse did not stop. Although it jumped 7 vines, and then a ram fell down, and the horse did not stop, it continued to run. So my cousin Murad came running down the road. Okay, my cousin Murad came running down. He was very tired. He was just running so fast that he was very tired. I'm not worried about you. And then he shouted, I'm not worried about you. We've got to get that horse. You go this way and I'll go this way. If you come upon him, be kindly, I'll be near. Okay, that suppose if you we have to find the horse, you just go this way and that way. Okay, and if you find the horse, please be kindly with him. I'll be very near to you. Okay, so don't worry. I continued down the road and my cousin Murad went across the field towards the irrigation ditch. Okay, और मैं सड़क से नीचे नीचे हो लिया and he towards the across the field towards the irrigation ditch. He was also finding out the horse. It took him half an hour to find the horse and bring him back. All right, he said, jump on. The whole world is awake now. What will we do? I said. Okay, a ram said that now the whole world is awake, means it's the morning time, everybody has waken up. Okay, so I asked, what will we do? Okay, well, he said, now he gave me the choices that either what we'll do, will take him back or hide him until tomorrow morning. So we had only two choices. Either we were going to take him back or we were going to hide him until next morning. He didn't sound worried. Okay, मुझे नहीं लग रहा था उसे किसी भी बात की चिंता थी. And I knew he would hide him and not take him back. And I was quite sure that he was going to hide the horse. He was not going to give the horse back. Not for a while, at any cost. Not for a single moment and not any cost. Where will we ride him? Okay, where will we hide him? So now I asked that where will we hide him? कहाँ छुपाएंगे हम इसको? I know a place, he said. How long ago you steal this horse? I said, and I asked him that how long ago you steal this horse, and how long ago you steal this horse? But he did not answer. Okay, it suddenly dawned on me, okay, that he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. Now I was getting a guess that he might be taking rides, these early morning rides, for a long time, and he came to me this morning only because he knew कि वो जानता था कि मुझे राइड करना कितना पसंद है और ये खुद बहुत दिनों से राइड कर रहा है क्योंकि ऐसा उसकी राइडिंग को देखकर लग रहा है. Who said anything about stealing horse? And then he said, उसने मुझसे पूछा that has somebody said something about this stealing horse? Anyhow, I said, how long ago did you begin riding every morning? Then I asked him that तुमने कितने दिन पहले इसको ride करना start किया है? So guys, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.